I was doing the lawnmower thing and I fucking got the wrong fucking blades. So I had to make a quick detour down to Bunnings and I bought some more blades to fit to this fucking bastard. So let's keep going, working on this fucking bastard. Sunflowers going. The corn, the bush bees like the corn. Fucking bastard. Okay guys, ArchieLuxury lawnmower repairs. No point sending this lawnmower in for expensive repairs when we can do this fucking shit ourselves. Remember, fuckaroonies, near enough is generally good enough. So now we're going to drain the oil. What I use is an old fucking paint tray. Here's a fucked one that I fucking forgot to clean up. It's gone all shit. Well, this is a great paint tray, great tray I can use to drain the fucking oil. So what we do is on this mower, we'll take the cord off there, and let's go and fucking rip this bitch out. Let's rip this bitch out. She's draining. Here we go. We just drain this fucking bitch. That's all we need to do. Just drain it. Drain the fucking bitch. That's it, man. Look at that. We're draining her nicely. Drain it, pump, drain the poison, man. Pump the poison. That's all we need to do is drain this fucking bitch. Let's get this lawnmower repaired nicely. There we go. We're draining, just drain this bitch out. And look at these fucking ants, you fucking bitches. You bit me yesterday, you bastards. No fucking remorse with those fuckers, that's for sure. So, yeah, just give it a bit of a clean up. Come on, you fucking bastards. We'll just drain it. So we'll come back, we'll let that sit for a bit. We'll drain this bitch out. Let's drain the poison, fuckaroonies. Drain the fucking poison. Lawnmower repairs can be done cheaply and simply yourself. Man, it can be done. And, yeah. That's the way I fucking run things, man. I like to do my own repairs. Cheap and nasty. We're just draining this bitch. We're draining this bitch. And that's all we want to do is drain this bitch. Okay guys, I drained the main vein. We drained the oil out. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'll just show you. That's the drip tray. And I've got some oil here. This is 4-stroke oil. Give it a bit of a shake. This has been sitting on my shelf for fucking years. So now I'm gonna basically pour the remnants of this into the lawn mower. That's what I'm gonna fucking do, guys. I'm gonna put it into the lawn mower. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, what I like to do is, before I pour it in, fucking hell, I'm a fucking hose. So it's about 300 mils. So I'm going to pour 300 mils into this bastard. Pour it in. Look at this, it's going in nicely. You see it's going in nicely. 300 mils. Okay, so put 300 mils in. And what I'm going to do is, to see if I've got enough oil in or I haven't got enough oil in, that waste oil I'm gonna pour back into this bottle. That's right, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. And I got the fucking dipstick in the oil pan. Yeah, it went in. I fucked it up. Yep. So that's my dipstick. So I just put my dipstick in there. So I'm gonna pour this oil into here to see how did I go. Shit, it's not much. Okay. Fuck. Okay, so we'll do a reading very soon. Get this fucking oil off. When I had the mower on the side to change the blades, it fucking went every fucking where. It went everywhere it could go. Everywhere, every way, which way but loose. Every which way but loose. Let's have a fucking look here. Let's have a look. I can put a bit more oil in. Put a bit more in, fuckers. You lousy sons of bitches. Here's the next one here. Nice motor oil. Let's pour a bit in. Fucking hell. Let's see, I poured a big chunk in. See how this bitch goes now. That's not too bad. What the fuck is that? I think it's about right. That's near enough is good enough. Fuck this bullshit. Near enough is good enough, guys. That's always been my credos. Quality, a lazy tradesman. Near enough is often good enough, fuckaroonies. Fucking lousy cunts. Just gonna change the sparking plug as well. Let's have a look. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel. I'm gonna change the spark plug in old Sparky here. So firstly we just connect the plug, fucking bitch, get out. And then we use this fucking bitch to take the bitch out. Fucking hell, it's hard. Yeah, fucking bitch. Fucking bitch. I need to put a stick in there. The fucking bitch is just being a bitch. She's being a fucking bitch. Fucking bitch, that's what she is. It's fucking near enough is fucking good enough. Always remember that, guys. Near enough, fuck me, dude. Near enough is fucking good enough. That's what I say. That's always fucking got me. Come on, you fucking bitch. Come on, you bitch. Go out. You fucking bitch. And we got the bitch out. Look at this. Fucking, oh, you fucking bastard. So that's the old spark plug. Look how fucked and dirty that is. Near enough is good enough. What do we got spare? Fuck, they look a bit different. Who cares? Near enough is often good enough, fuckers. Doesn't fucking matter. Fucking lawnmower. It's not fucking, it's not a fucking Boeing 787, is it, hey? It's a fucking lawnmower. It looks near enough. Let's put this bitch in and fire her up. Come on, you fucking bitch. You fucking bastard. You fucking little bitch. You fucking bitch. Ah, you fucking bitch. Put that on now. There we go. We've done the plugs. Look at that. I just done the plugs. any which way but loose, fuckers. That's the way I run the show here. Let's get this bitch tested and we'll get it sealed. Sealed and approved, fuckaroonies. Sealed and approved. That's what I fucking want here. Let's get this bitch underway. Start this fucking shit of a thing. Near enough is fucking good enough, fuckers. Near enough is good enough. Australia's laziest lawnmower repairman.